We're doing a pipe penetration with our barrel vault. We'll go ahead and cut our base panel out, as you can see here. We're going to be using our pipe jack here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut this out so it fits into the coursing of the panel. You can see I can form this to the barrels as needed. So once we get that formed and cut, we'll take our caulking, go ahead and caulk the sides and the top. And then we'll set that down into the caulking. Then we're going to come back with our second panel, and we're going to cut our pipe jack out of that one. So we'll install this over the top, over our pipe flashing, and go ahead and fasten the panel. Once we get done fastening that panel, we're going to go ahead and take our caulking and come around that pipe. Go ahead and caulk that around that one, and then come back with our granules from our touch-up kit and go ahead and throw the granules into that caulking.